Hello, my students. How are you? This is your English teacher, Aya Raja. Today, inshallah, our lesson is should and shouldn't. And the aim of our lesson, students should be able to recognize that we use should or shouldn't to give an advice. Let's start. Should means يجب and shouldn't means لا يجب. Okay? When do we use should and when do we use shouldn't? Okay, should is used to advise someone to do something. Okay? تستخدم should للنصيحة حتى تنصح أحدهم بفعل شيء ما. Okay? Is used to advise someone ننصح أحدهم to do something أن يفعل شيئا ما. Shouldn't is used to advise someone not to do something. Okay? Shouldn't تستخدم لننصح أحدهم بعدم فعل شيء ما. Okay? This is the difference between should and shouldn't. Okay? Should تستخدم لنصيحة أحدهم بفعل شيء ما، بينما shouldn't ننصح أحدهم بعدم فعل شيء ما. Okay? And should means يجب أو بمعنى أدق ينبغي. Okay? لأنه هنا نصيحة لتقديم النصيحة. And shouldn't means لا يجب أو بمعنى لا ينبغي. Okay? Here the form of should. Okay? شكل السنتنس الذي يحتوي على should. Here you should be careful when you're crossing the road. Okay? Where is the subject in this sentence? Yes, you is the subject. After subject, we have what? Should بمعنى يجب. ومن ثم we have verb, and after should always we have infinitive verb فعل مجرد. Then the complement of the sentence, careful when crossing the road. This is the complement of the sentence. Okay? So here you should be careful when you're crossing the road. Here you give an advice. نعطي ماذا؟ نصيحة. Okay? For example, the first example, you should go to bed early. Okay, here, where is the subject? Yes, you is the subject. After subject, we have should. And always after should, we have infinitive verb, go. Okay? Then the complement of the sentence. Okay, here, you should go to bed early. Here you give an advice. تعطي نصيحة. Okay? Should here is used to give an advice. ينبغي عليك أن تذهب إلى الفراش مبكرا. Okay. Another example. Sarah should leave now. The subject is Sarah. After subject we have should. And should is used to give an advice. تستخدم لإعطاء نصيحة. And always after should we have infinitive verb. leave فعل مجرد. Okay. سارة should leave now. يجب أن تغادر سارة الآن. Okay. Here you give an advice. تعطي نصيحة. You should eat fruit and vegetables. You is the subject. Should means يجب. And here should is used to give an advice. تستخدم للنصيحة. Eat after should always we have infinitive verb. فعل مجرد. Okay. Eat. Okay, here you should eat fruit. ينبغي عليك أن تأكل الفاكهة والخضروات. So here you give an advice. تعطي نصيحة. Okay. Let's move to negative form. For example, here you shouldn't go out at night. Okay? Here, where is the subject in this sentence? Thank you. You is the subject. And after subject, we have shouldn't. Okay? Then we have infinitive verb. Always after should or shouldn't, we have infinitive verb. Okay. دائما بعد should or shouldn't عنا فعل مجرد دائما. Okay. Then the complement of the sentence. Here you shouldn't go out at night. لا ينبغي عليك أن تخرج at night. Okay. هنا you give an advice. تعطي نصيحة to not to do something. Okay. بأن لا تفعل شيئا ما. Okay. Here shouldn't is used to give an advice not to do something. Okay. For example, here you shouldn't drive fast in the town center. The subject is you, and after you we have shouldn't. Okay. دائما should and shouldn't تأتي بعد السبجكت مباشرة. And always after should or shouldn't we have infinitive verb فعل مجرد مثل drive. Okay. You shouldn't drive fast in the town center. Here shouldn't is used to give an advice not to do something. تعطي نصيحة بأن لا تفعل شيئا ما. مثل you shouldn't drive fast. لا يجب أن drive fast. أن تسوق سريعا in the town center. Another example. Students shouldn't use their mobile phones in the exam. الطلاب لا يجب عليهم استخدام their mobile phones in the exam. Okay. Here shouldn't is used to give an advice not to do something. بألا تفعل شيئا ما. Okay. Here you shouldn't watch a lot of movie or a lot of TV. Okay. Here you is the subject, and then we have shouldn't. And shouldn't is used to give an advice. لتعطي نصيحة not to do something. Okay. بأن لا تفعل شيئا ما. Here بأن لا, لا, تشاهد الكثير من التلفاز. Okay. الملخص دائما يوجد لدينا subject فاعل، وبعد الفاعل يأتي إما should or shouldn't. We use should to give an advice to do something، لتفعل شيء ما. And we use shouldn't to give an advice not to do something. Okay? لتعطي نصيحة بألا تفعل شيئا ما. Okay? And always after shouldn't or should we have infinitive verb. Okay? Let's move on. Here we have an exercise. Complete the sentences. Use the words from the books and should or shouldn't. Okay? In these sentences we will use should or shouldn't حسب الجملة. Okay? Then we will add or we will write one of these verbs. We have be, feed, and do. The first one, you, the dog. Here the answer is thank you. You should feed the dog. Okay? Number 2 here, you, فراغ, late for school. Thank you. You shouldn't be late for school. يجب أن لا تتأخر عن المدرسة. Okay? And the last one. You should do more exercises. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Thank you all. We will stop here. Thank you. Goodbye.